Is a raw food diet right for you? Well, good news. Amazing things happen when we eat raw, unprocessed, and uncooked foods. Our physical and mental health, as well as appearance, improve. Switching to a raw or living food diet means going from consuming acid-forming foods to eating foods that allow the body to be more alkaline. A diet that is alkaline simply equals better health. It is best to start slow when embarking on a fully raw food lifestyle. That said, here are some important changes to expect when going raw. It's a fact that high-protein diets stress, inflame, and even damage the kidneys. Because a raw food diet is low in protein, and especially animal protein, the kidneys enjoy better health. Too much protein increases the acidity of blood and lymph. Acidity promotes disease. Unprocessed foods like watermelon and cucumber are diuretics that flush toxins from the body. When you go raw, you detox the body. Raw food is super rich in digestive enzymes and probiotics. This means the body does not have to work as hard to digest food. Processing and cooking destroy food's vital living enzymes. When this happens, enzymes must then be drawn from the pancreas to digest food. Whenever digestion is less demanding, mental and physical energy increase. Energy is in effect repurposed for better use. As a bonus, a raw diet decreases mucus in the intestines, allowing for better nutrient absorption. With living foods, bowel movements are easier, more frequent, and regular. Faster digestion means food does not stagnate and clog the digestive tract. Less food decay-related toxins are produced. When less toxins are created, less are absorbed into the bloodstream. Folks, if you are not going twice a day, something is wrong. Enzymes are truly the secret to good digestive health. Heartburn, gas, indigestion, and constipation disappear. Fruits and veggies that are alive are rich in chlorophyll, a supernutrient that feeds the blood. Molecularly similar to hemoglobin, chlorophyll supports improved oxygen delivery to cells. In addition, because living foods are alkaline and not acidic, the bones and teeth benefit. Your dentist will notice a big difference. With raw foods, the eyes simply become more attractive. In fact, the whites of the eyes look brighter, while the pupils clear up too. Even bags under the eyes go away on a completely raw plant-based diet. In some cases, the eyes may actually change color. Know of a case where this has happened? Let us know in the comments section below. The skin clears up and becomes noticeably healthier. Blemishes disappear while the skin gets softer and more supple with better overall texture. Foods that are not processed or cooked detoxify the skin from the inside out. With foods that are alive, beauty radiates from the inside out. One of the best ways to look younger is to go fully raw. You will lose weight and the skin tightens up. The end result is a more youthful version of you, no matter what your actual age. Did you know that carrying extra weight makes you look older? Living foods help you to shed weight with little to no effort. No calorie counting necessary. With a natural raw fruit and vegetable diet, there is no need to restrict calories. In fact, you can eat as much and as often as you like. Because you are giving your body nutritiously complete foods, cravings for unhealthy foods simply go away. Raw, alive foods strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to disease and illness. Decreased inflammatory response occurs throughout the body, resulting in less aches and pains. Fewer cold and flu symptoms is another proven benefit. Human digestion is a very labor-intensive activity. When you eat living foods, all the energy that would be used to digest complex foods like animal flesh is now put to better use. This energy is diverted to heal whatever requires healing. Amazingly, it works! Ever notice how animals stop eating when they are sick? Eating raw, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, melons, and berries enables the taste buds to spring back to life. food will simply taste better, and flavors will be more intense. In short, eating becomes so much more enjoyable. Sleep becomes deeper and more satisfying. Those on a living food diet wake early feeling rested, rejuvenated, and energized and ready to take on the day. When the digestive system is not working hard to digest food all night, you experience sleep that is sound and peaceful. By eating enzyme-rich raw foods, motivation and positive attitude are the standard. Creativity increases while mental function improves. Complex tasks become less challenging. Emotions are sometimes more intense as you detox not only the physical, but emotional body. Old trauma and emotional stress may work its way to the surface, so it can be resolved. With living foods, you'll enjoy balanced nutrition. These foods simply have all nutrients still intact. Complete nutrition as nature intended. Supplements are not needed when eating living foods. Less fat and protein are consumed, which is actually a good thing. Vitamins, minerals, and enzymes are not destroyed by the heat of cooking or commercial processing. Raw foods sustain the body far better than processed or cooked foods. The skin is our largest organ. Whatever is released by the sweat glands, good or bad, produces odor. The skin and sweat glands not only cool the body, but also release toxins. The skin is sometimes referred to as the third kidney. That is why poor health often shows up in the skin first. Eating meat and dairy causes strong body odor. Ever drive by a dairy farm and take a whiff? These foods stagnate in the body, rot in the digestive tract, and release toxins into the bloodstream via the large intestine. With foods that are raw, no more body odor or bad breath. Imagine all the money you'll save on deodorants. Go raw, live longer, look better, and feel great every day. If you thought this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your comments, and subscribe to the 5-Minute Raw channel. See you next time. Do you know of other ways that raw food improves health? What changes would you like to experience the most if you went raw? How can we make this topic even better? Let us know. Comment below right now. We would love to hear from you.